Hello kids, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 8, Reaching Grandmother's House. This chapter is continuation of our last chapter, that is from the window. So let us continue. There is 17th May night 11:30 p.m. So after their long journey of Omana and her family, they reached Kottayam in night. Then Valiamma's house, that means Omana's Mausi's house, was not far from the station and they had to take two auto rickshaws to get there. By then, Omana was very sleepy and did not even wait to eat anything. She took a bath and slept. She thought she had just fallen asleep when Amma woke up her again. They got ready, took their luggage and went to the bus stand. Valiamma's family also came with them. There were 10 people and had a lot of luggage too. Then the bus conductor came and Appa bought tickets for all of them. They managed to get seats. As it went along, the bus got very crowded. People were sharing the seats. They also had to share their seats. After a long ride, the bus reached the last stop. Omana was happy to get off. Her legs were stiff. She could hardly stand. Stiff means not easily bent. She thought that they had finally reached Ammuma's village. Ammuma's means her Nani's village. But no, their travel had not ended yet. The bus had dropped them by the waterside. Look, Amma pointed across the water. That is where we have to go. But how will we get there? I wondered. Then Omana wondered. Amma pointed across the water and said that where they have to go. That is where they have to go. But Omana wondered that how will we get there? Then just Omana saw a boat coming. There is the ferry. Ferry means a boat or ship for conveying passengers and goods. You can see in the picture. Immediately a big crowd of people started getting off. School children, men, women, all with their own packets and luggage. Omana's Amma explained that the ferry was used by people to cross the water and reach the other side. As soon as the ferry got empty, the big rush started from a side. Everyone had to pay the fare before getting on. Very soon the ferry was full. It started off again. Omana managed to get a place to stand along the railing. Railing means katgara. So she saw the rippling of the stiff water as the ferry moved. Now what is meant by rippling? Rippling means of water forming or flowing with a series of small waves on the surface. So she saw the rippling of the still water as the ferry moved. You can also see in the picture. It was moving smoothly on the water. There were rows of coconut trees on the banks of the river. As they moved swiftly, Omana could see people fishing, washing, bathing and walking along the banks. Just before the sun disappeared into the water, the ferry reached the island and stopped. Now, island means a piece of land surrounded by the water. So it was time for them to get off. At last, they reached Ammuma's place. What a long and interesting journey it has been. So you can also see how long journey of Omana and her family. So let us see some question and answers here. Omana travelled by different kinds of transport after she got down from the train. Can you remember what these were? Yes? Yes, that was auto rickshaw, bus and ferry. On which vehicles have you traveled? You can travel, and you also travel scooty, bike, car, bus, boat, etc. Which ride did you enjoy the most and why? I think I liked the boat ride the most because it was very different and exciting. Omana left Ahmedabad on 16th May. How many hours did it take for her to reach Amuma's place? So 16th May 11:30 a.m. to 17th May 9:30 p.m. It means 34 hours in train. And 18th May morning to evening 12 hours more traveled, and total hours are 46. So Omana traveled 46 hours. Name the different kinds of transport that you used during the journey. Whenever we go to our native place, it takes a long train journey, right? And we take taxi, train, bus, auto rickshaw, etc. How long did your journey take? You can write your own answer. Omana's upper bought tickets for the train and the bus. Can you think of other means of transport for which we need to buy tickets? Yes, we can buy tickets of aeroplane, metro train, steamer ship, etc. Sometimes we need to buy tickets to enter a place. Can you think of such places? Yes, that is museum, zoo, movie theaters, and Taj Mahal also. So look at the picture of a railway ticket, find the following information on the ticket and circle them with different colors and discuss. Now you can see in the picture the train number. You can see 9037 is the train number. Gadi number, you can see second row, second column, 9037. Now number 2, the date of the start of the journey. It is 20. It is 24/12/2006. The berth and the coach numbers. You can see coach numbers. Coach A1, berths 21, 22 and 23. The fare, the cost of the tickets, that is 2578 rupees. The distance in kilometers, that is 643 kilometers. That is in front of date. Okay. Next question. Write what other information you can find out from the ticket. We can find out from the ticket is the PNR number, number of adults and number of children, class 2 AC, ticket from Bandra terminals up to Ratlam Junction. Then train name, it is Awadh Express and boarding time is 14:36. Okay. Then a railway timetable gives details about the route of every train, the stations along the route, what time the train will reach and leave each station, the distance covered, etc. We can buy a railway timetable from a railway station. So some portions of the timetable for the route of the train on which Omana travelled are given. Look carefully at it and answer the following questions. You can see in the picture, it is Gandhidham Nagarcoil Express. First is Gandhidham. There is the station numbers, then arrival time and departure time, then distance in kilometers and day 1 and day 2. Okay, the Omana's journey starts from Gandhidham, then ended at Kottayam. Okay, so let's see some questions. Question number 1. Circle the names of all the stations in the table that are mentioned in Omana's diary. So first station is Gandhidham, second is Ahmedabad, then Valsad station, then Madgaon, then Udupi, then Kozhikode, and last one is Kottayam. You can circle all these stations. From which station did the train start? Yes, train starts from the Gandhidham. Then how many minutes did the train stop at Ahmedabad station? You can see in this picture. At 11:30 the train is stopped at Ahmedabad and move from that Ahmedabad station is on 11:50, that is 20 minutes. 20-minute train stopped at Ahmedabad station. On which day of the journey did the train reach Madgaon? It is second day. Sunil and Anne got off at Kozhikode station. Omana got off at Kottayam station. How many hours does the train take to reach Kottayam from Kozhikode? Train reached at Kozhikode at 5:45 p.m. and reached at Kottayam to 11:50, right? So there is 6 hours journey from Kozhikode to Kottayam. What is the distance that the train travelled over the whole route? That is 2649 kilometers. That is last one, Nagarcoil station. Train starts Gandhidham to end Nagarcoil station. It is from 0 to 2649 kilometers. Then how many kilometers did Omana travel by train? Omana's journey starts from Gandhidham to Kottayam. So it is 2418 kilometers. Last one is, would you like to keep a diary? If yes, then take a notebook or a diary every day for a week. Write about what you did. Also write your thoughts and feelings. Share your diary with your friends. Okay. So we ended this chapter. We'll see worksheet and question and answers in our next video.